Okay, hi Cancers, welcome to your zodiac reading. This is for the 1st to the 15th of May for you. So, we'll be looking at the current situation and what to expect from 1st to the 15th of May. Okay, so if the present situation resonates with you, then definitely the outcome should. And I will end it with a couple of cards from the universe for you. So, let's see what are the messages that we get. Let's see what is the current situation for you, what's going on for Cancer. Current situation, the World, the Hierophant, and the King of Wands. Let me just clarify the World. Okay. The resistance to something in your life is ending. Okay. I am seeing, yeah, you are probably surrendering to something. This could be a person, this could be some sort of a offer, or somebody who's made a very loving gesture or a very stable gesture towards you out of the passion that they have for you. Okay, and you could have been questioning this left, right, and center for all this while, but now I think you're slowly surrendering to the universe. Okay, that could be a phase. All right, it's happening slowly. This is just going with my Instagram reading for some reason today. I feel that somewhere you are just being able to see the truth of the situation now. Okay, and it's good, the energy seems to be good. Okay, you are getting clarity about what this person is, or maybe you misunderstood this person in the past and now you're actually understanding who this person is. Okay, so if this part of it resonated, so let's see what to expect from the 1st to the 15th of May for you. Ace of Wands, beautiful. Queen of Swords, the Magician, Four of Pentacles. Okay, so pretty clearly there is a fresh start happening in your life. And I have the Temperance at the bottom of the deck. So there is a fresh start happening in your life for your highest good. Okay, and I'm seeing you becoming slowly determined to have this in your life. Okay, and I'm also seeing the other person, because I'm seeing a masculine and feminine energy here. So the other person also, I feel, is kind of understanding and wanting to manifest this in their life, because King of Wands and the Magician, so yeah, together tells me that there is determination. This person doesn't want to let go of you. This is definitely to do with a love affair or relationship. This person doesn't want to let go of you. Maybe you guys have had an argument in the past about some ideology clashes. Maybe both of you don't think in a similar way, or there is a difference in opinion. But there is one common ground, which is that you both want each other. Okay, and I'm seeing that you somewhere respect this person, you like this person's attitude, but somewhere even you have your ego up. Okay, with the Queen of Swords here, even you have your feeling of, okay, I'm not going to stoop down types, like that way. Okay, but the universe is orchestrating this for you, and I'm seeing that you should kind of slowly, and you are actually, but there are still some guards up, but this is here for your highest good. Okay, let's see what else do we get for those 15 days, May 1st to the 15th. They have two cards. Ten of Pentacles and Queen of Wands. Yes. So this is taking you towards your happiness. There is no point resisting it, Cancer. This is taking you towards a stable future. But yes, I mean, I get it if you have your fears or if you have anything that is like stopping you. You can take your, I mean, the advice that I'm getting here is you can take your time to be 100% sure before giving in to this fully. Take your time, okay? Because I'm seeing that you need to move in the direction of trusting this person also a bit, okay? And more than trust, it's, I mean, I'm actually, because the situation right now is that you're feeling pushed from within to put an end to that resistance game that you were in, probably. And this person also has feelings for you. It's not like this person is playing around with you or anything. They have a general nature of being a little egotistic and demanding, but that's who they are, okay? That's what makes them who they are, and you probably also like them for this nature of theirs. All right, so let's look at some advice from the universe for you. What should you basically do and know right now? Okay, okay, so I have 3 cards fall out. We'll take them because I'm picking up 3 cards only. Hawk Spirit, let Spirit be your guide. Koi Fish Spirit, there is always enough. And Panther Spirit, reclaim your power. Okay, so listen, the thing is that if you give in, or if you are trying to work this out, this, I mean, I think somewhere in your mind you think that, okay, if you give in, you will lose your power. But no, it's not like that. Okay, you are powerful. At the same time, being vulnerable is a power on its own. Okay, I'm seeing that let the Spirit be your guide in this situation, because see, the push that you're feeling from within to accept this change in you is coming from inside. Okay, so that is Spirit's call. That is your soul telling you to do this or bring about this change. So don't try to question it too much, because it's here for your highest good, and let's accept it the way it is, right? So you should reclaim your power. Understand that, okay, this is also a part of your power. When we talk about the heart chakra is about unconditional love without expectations. Okay, so accept it the way it is. Okay, and know that there is always enough. Okay, don't worry that you will lose yourself. Don't. Okay, be fluid is the message that I'm getting. All right, so that is what I'm picking up for you guys, Cancerians. Let me know if this resonated with you in the comment section below. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me for that as well. And you can follow me on Instagram. I do daily 3-card readings over there, just in case if you feel this is resonating with you and you want to know daily readings, or you want to check out daily readings. All right, Cancerians, thank you so much for watching. Bye.